Hi there, it's Jeanette here from Far Forest Ceramics based in the UK, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Christmas present that I haven't opened yet on the 18th of January. I know. There's reasons behind that, but this is the first opportunity I've been able to come into my studio and actually do this unboxing, and I wanted to film it because I've got an exciting little secret to share with you at the end. So my husband asked me, what can I get you for Christmas, Jen? What can I get you for Christmas? Something that maybe you wouldn't treat yourself to. And the one thing that I've mentioned a few times is, I'd love to have some advancer shelves. But in my bigger kiln, where I do my glaze firings, they're 21-inch shelves. And they're obviously a lot more expensive than some of the smaller ones. And it's hard to get them in the UK until I came across a company called kilnshelf.uk. And they have actually got a warehouse that they've just started in 2025, where they're shipping now from Reading in the UK. And so shipping from Reading in the UK means we're not paying additional import VAT, etc., from buying over in the States. So that was great news. I also mentioned to my mum, because she was saying, what would you like for Christmas? And I said, maybe something to do with advancer, which is what this is supposed to be. So let me first of all, this one, 3 guesses, is the shelf. So I've removed, it had on it this, this banding stuff. I've removed that, and Mark's had to carry it in here for me because it was too heavy for me to carry. Really strong packaging. Oh! And, oh, look at that foam. That'll come in handy for packaging. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. Oh, gosh. That's snugly in that polystyrene. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so thin. Look at how thin that is. Oh, my Lord. And the weight of it. It is a fraction of the weight of a normal kiln shelf. I need to show you that compared. Let me show you that compared to my shelf. My comparison is so much heavier. And this one, I've got glaze stuck on it, so I've got to do a lot of work to clean that up before I can fire it again. So, there's one. I reckon that's half the width of a normal shelf. So that's going to save space, isn't it? Massively. But I am really excited to try this advancer shelf because I like a lot of drippy glazes, and I'm very anxious when I put them in the kiln. So I raise them on stilts and then I put them on cookies. So I lose a lot of space in my kiln when I do that. So the fact is, on here, apparently, it just feels a little bit random. You can put it straight on the shelf, no kiln wash, and it just lifts off, and you can Dremel, and you've got none of that. What is it? Is it dunting? What's that thing when you lift it off the shelf and it takes half your piece away with you? I can't get my words out. I'm excited to use this. Right, so I've got a secret to share with you. After my husband placed this order, I received an email. And the email was from Kiln Shelf saying to me, Jeanette, would you like to be a collaborator with us with Advancer Shelves? And I'm like, yes! And they have kindly sent me an extra kiln shelf. So, so I've kindly got this one from Advancer. Oh, I am so lucky. Oh, 2 shelves are the same width as one of my normal kiln shelves. Time to see how it fits. So light to put down. So this is my present from my mum, which she said to me, what would you like, Nett? What would you like for Christmas? And I said, a glaze eraser. And of course she's like, well, what on earth is a glaze eraser? And I explained that apparently when your glaze falls on these shelves, you just rub it with something called a glaze eraser and they just all pop off. So she can't, ooh, look at the box, just comes really neat and small. Oh, that feels smooth. Oh my Lord, that's glistening. Look at this. Potters will know this is a thing of beauty. I don't know if you can see it glistening. That's really soft to hold in the hand. I thought this was going to be quite, rough and abrasive. So that is light to hold. Oh, that's going to be so easy to smooth them off. Oh, I'm excited. This packaging is really good. Really good. So, now I don't know what this is because my husband ordered me Advancer shelf and my mum ordered me the cookie. So, let's have a look in here. What's in here? Oh! They've sent me an Advancer cookie. So my understanding is this cookie, it's like a great way for a potter to dip their toe into the world of Advancer, because you can actually just put one piece on it and see the effect of it. That's really good. I could use that on my other shelves. Hang on a sec, this is a big box. Oh, they've sent me 2. I've got 2 cookies. Look at this packaging. This is awesome packaging. Ooh, that's going to be good for packing pottery, isn't it? Going to a craft show. Oh, thank you so much, Kiln Shelf. I am so looking forward to trying these out. It's going to be a few weeks till I can actually be making and getting through the kiln due to personal circumstances. But I can't wait to test these out. And now I'm going to try some super drippy glazes on purpose to see how these work. So if you would like to see how I get on with my new Advancer shelves, my cookie and my eraser, I will be showing them on Instagram and on YouTube, and you can actually follow along real time and see how I get on. So Kiln Shelf UK have given me a code to share with you. If you would like to get 10% off, I'll put that in the description below. But yeah, fantastic to have a warehouse in the UK. I believe some items are in stock and some items they can actually produce, and they obviously take a few weeks just to get to you. Why did I try Kiln Shelf UK with them being a new company? Well, to be honest, there are a couple of distributors in the UK, and when I checked their stock and their availability, they didn't have anywhere near as much availability as Kiln Shelf did in sizes. I wanted a circular one to maximise the space in my kiln, and 21 inches, and Kiln Shelf UK were the only one that did it. The guys have been amazing there. Really, really lovely people. And the packaging is fantastic. So I can't wait. And I love to support a new business. And I know Advancer isn't a new business, but the Reading depot is. And I think it's great for UK potters for us to actually have Advancer shelves coming to the UK and somewhere that can ship from the UK, so you haven't got all those problems dealing with shipping from outside. So yeah, follow along and see how I get on. Oh, excited!